In today's video, the photo restoration is going to be a complete step-by-step process along with the time lapse here. As you can see, the image is completely spoiled, and we have used Procreate app and the Pixel app over here. So let us begin. Face. Now, um, if you see the right side, uh, it looks like this one's a mole. So I feel it's a mole, so I'll be just keeping it aside and touching it later. Now the first would be using this blending tool and blending small portions over here.
And as well as this part of the nose is going to be tip. It's going to be a little brighter. So I'm going to use the same color which is on the forehead to match it. Okay, so the forehead looks a bit plain now.
Very plain, um, which I don't like. It has to have the edge. So what I will do is I'll just use the clone tool, and let me see if I can match a few things over here. For example, this looks good, this portion looks good, so let me just go on extending this region. Okay, so here this portion is fine. Let me just correct the next portion on the right hand side. Okay, now the next would be the cheek region. Little by little.
Okay, so here I feel that something is hot. But here it looks like a patch. So let me just correct. Undo it. Okay, this is much better. So this was how it was before. And let me start from the jaw. Okay, so next would be which portion would be good. So I will just keep it out here. Oops, it's still once again dark. This is wrong. So let me just use the undo tool. And let's use the blending tool over here.